Okay, don't reveal yourself.
Hey guys,
Okay,
me and my friend Kane are playing hide and seek. And guys, I'm going
Wait, can I join?
Tiny.
Yo, can I join? Yo, can I join? Can I join? Yo, guys, can I join? Guys, can I join?
James, tell me when to stop. Yeah, you could join, bro.
Okay. Yo, where is
Yeah.
it? So
Go hide somewhere.
Okay, how long do you give us?
20.
Right, Kane, come looking.
Wait, no.
Okay.
Kane, come
I'm not
looking.
ready.
Oh, he's not.
Guys, I'm so small. He's never gonna
Yeah?
find me.
You just said go.
Oh wait, guys. He's gonna find me. No.
James,
Yo, I'm
you're
ready.
gonna take it.
Yeah, where are ya?
Okay, I'm coming to find you. Right, hey, the first thing is, are you at spawn?
I'm going away from spawn.
Guys, I'm hiding here.
Okay, and I'm gonna find.
Wait, does it count if you die? Does it count you guys?
Yeah, I counted it. Like I'm alive, going back to live. Wait, could anybody little horizon? Guys, you can't hide in the horizon.
We're not in the horizon.
I feel like this. Marco.
Hello.
I'm hidden in a really good place.
You'll never find me.
Do a glitch together.
Guys, he's right there.
I accidentally turned Jack.
James, are you by mines?
I'm literally at spawn. I accidentally turned giant.
James, where do you kind of
I ain't saying.
are you by no horizon?
I ain't saying. Guys, did you just see how close he was?
Wait, I just heard something. Did you hear how close he Marco! Guys, by the way, I need to tell you about my little secret stash. So anytime I see anything like cheese, I put it straight down there by my stash. So nobody sees where my stash is. And yeah, my stash.
I'm trying to find someone very secret.
Nah, what the hell?
Let's say you found someone. Well, I don't know anyone straight away. Don't even think about that stash. Sometimes it's rare to do this. I just, hey, please go down there. And then, like, if I want it back, then I'll just jump down, get it back. I wonder where everybody is. Is anybody in the tree?
Can we have hide and seek pig?
Get down. But this bag does
I'll
not
give you a clue.
Yeah.
You know the clothes shop? Yeah, I'm there. Yo, go to the clothing shop and let me see. Oh, and it's hide and seek pig. Hide and seek pig.
Oh my god.
Yeah, maybe because I'm on the ground. Oh shoot.
Even if I need to get in there.
20 more seconds to find us.
Come on.
Wait. Where is he? Where is everyone?
Kane, we win.
What?
You didn't find us, we win.
Can you tell me where you just went?
Kane, go to your secret stash.
Where?
Can you see me at the clothing shop?
I'm at my secret stash.
Kane, go to that secret stash.
Okay.
Wait.
Like the stash at spawn or the one where it's with my backpack?
Where you threw your backpack down.
Okay. Yo, Blue.
I'm there.
Both of yous and by there, come look for me.
Didn't find us. Yo, do you want to know where I was?
Oh my god.
Wait. Where is this dude?
James, I give up with all.
Does your friend give up?
Yeah. Yeah. I just came on my place.
Hi!
Can you tell me
Can you tell me if I walked past you too many times?
Look, come over here.
James, how much times did I walk past you, by the
At
way?
first, I was here. Then Kane. Then when you went away, I moved over here.
Wait, James, how close was I to you?
Very close. Look, and then I went here.
Touching you?
And then look, Kane, I went here.
Blue. James, was that nearly touching you?
Yeah.
Blue.
Did you, Kane, did you know I was
Let
there?
me show you.
No.
Blue.
Oh my god.
Blue.
Well, James.
Alright, well guys, that'll be it
Yo.
for hide and seek and animal company. If you liked today's video, make sure to like and subscribe and see you in the next video as always. Bye, peace.